Morning, my friends, the honorable body, honorable councilors, and of course our honorable vice mayor, the presiding officer of this august body. Anyway, the mayor has all the rights and authority to send somebody, civilian, private citizens of the municipality of San Simon, whom he trusts, so he can send anybody to present him to speak, to shed light and to clear the air and to address issues based on the recent or previous session of this august body. So I don't see any reason why I cannot speak in behalf of the mayor, since I communicated to represent him to speak before this body to clear the air, to clear the accusation or the statements made in the previous session. Now it is up to the council to decide whether I should continue or will let me speak, Municipal Mayor of San Simon. Thank you. Do you confirm this, Councilor, na ito ang sinabi niya?
Opo.
So, to speak. Pero si Mr. Loreto Santos, sinasabi niya doon sa harapan ng konseho na inauthorize niyo po siya. Sino ngayon na nagsisinungaling sa inyong dalawa?
Eh, hindi ko po siya inauthorize.
Either one of you are lying. Di po ba tama, Mr. Santos?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Do we have a quorum, Mr. Chair? Kasi kung may quorum kami, isasak po kayong dalawa in contempt. Telling the truth, eh. Wala.
We have a quorum.
We have a quorum?
Yeah, we have at least 5 members in the Zoom, and we only need at least 7 members. No ba quorum? Please proceed, Chairman ako.
Yes. Mr. Chair, magmula pa noong last hearing, yung pong mga kasagutan ni Mr. Loreto Santos at saka si Mayor Ponsalan. Di po ba? Kitang-kita naman sa previous meeting which I have at ngayong hearing na ito, sila po ay hindi sumasan. Now, to give, shall we say, to protect the dignity of this committee, may I respectfully move, Mr. Chair, that we cite them in contempt, pursuant to Section 11 of our Rules of Inquiry.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair. Before I already second the motion of the Congressman Planted, let me again ask a provision that both Mr. Punsalan and Mr. Loreto has violated.
The Section 11 of our rules, and for continuously not answering or lying to this committee. Mr. Chair.
For lying. Okay. Anyway, there's a motion to cite in contempt Mr. Punsalan and Mr. Santos. Duly seconded.